Hi, great that you're back. Well, today I did this running test with my new GoPro 11. I put the settings down in the description. It was, most of the time it was to linear and horizon lock. I have to say I'm really impressed. Actually, I was talking all the time to the camera, but then I discovered later on that I had my fingers over the microphone, so the sound was not that good. So yes, I'm impressed by the quality of the pictures. I'm very impressed by the AutoBoost stabilization. I love this thing for running. I love the colors. I did not do any color grading or anything. This is the footage straight out of the camera. The colors are out of the camera. Afterward, I recognized I hadn't set it to 10-bit color, so next time I'll do the 10-bit color. And at the end, enjoy the little time lapse of the clouds tonight. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.